Now here the next theorem is theorem if a perpendicular is drawn from vertex of the right angle of a right angled triangle to the hypotenuse, then the triangles on both sides of perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle and also to each other. See here what is given. A triangle, a right angled triangle ABC, right angled at A. Now from A perpendicular is drawn on hypotenuse BC, means AD is perpendicular to BC. Now to prove is triangle BDA is similar to triangle BAC. This is the first part, and the second part is we are to prove that triangle CDA is similar to triangle CAB. And the third part is we are to prove that triangle BDA is similar to triangle BDA is similar to triangle ADC. This is the third part to prove. Now we are coming to first part. First part is in triangle BDA is similar, we are to prove triangle BDA is similar to triangle BAC. See here, in triangle BDA, angle BDA is of 90 degree, and in triangle BAC, angle of 90 degree. Means in triangle BDA, this D is corresponding to A. D is corresponding to A. These angles are equal. And see, one triangle is this one and the other triangle is this one. In these two triangles, angle B is common in both of the triangles. Then we can say by angle similarity rule, triangle BDA is similar to triangle BAC. You must see that when I am talking about BDA, then B of the next triangle is also corresponding to B, and D of triangle BDA is corresponding to A, means BDA, and I am using BAC. Triangle BDA is similar to triangle BAC. It was the first part to prove. Then the next part to prove is that triangle CDA is similar to triangle CAB. In this, see here, angle CDA is equal to 90 degree and angle CAB is of 90 degree, and angle C is common. Then in triangle CDA and triangle CAB, angle CDA is equal to angle CAB and angle C is equal to angle C. Then by angle criteria, triangle CDA is similar to triangle CAB. Triangle CDA is similar to triangle CAB. This was the second part to prove. Then the third part to prove is that triangle BDA is similar to triangle, see here, triangle BDA is similar to triangle ADC. See here, third part, angle BAD plus angle CAD is equal to 90 degree. Angle BAD plus angle CAD is equal to 90 degree. In triangle BDA, we have taken triangle BDA, angle B plus angle BAD plus angle BAD is equal to 90 degree by exterior angle theorem, because this angle is of 90. Then in this triangle, this angle is of 90. The exterior angle is 90 here. It is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Therefore, angle ADC is equal to angle DBA plus angle DAB, means angle DBA plus angle DAB is equal to 90, or we can write angle B plus angle BAD is equal to 90. In CDA, angle C plus angle CAD is equal to 90 by exterior angle property. Now see here we have two equations. One is angle B plus angle BAD is equal to 90. Other is angle C plus angle CAD is equal to 90. In both sides the right side is same. Therefore we can say angle B plus angle BAD is equal to angle C plus angle CAD. See here, angle B plus angle BAD is equal to angle BAD plus angle CAD. Means here BAD cancel and we get angle B is equal to angle CAD. Angle B is equal to angle CAD. From here this we get angle B is equal to angle CAD. Now similarly we have angle C plus angle CAD is equal to angle BAD plus angle CAD. Then angle CAD cancelize, angle C is equal to angle BAD. See here, angle C plus angle CAD. Which angle C plus angle CAD? Here angle C plus angle CAD is equal to angle ADB. And angle BAD plus angle CAD. See here, angle BAD plus angle, see here, angle BAD plus angle CAD and angle CAD. Angle BAD plus angle CAD is of 90 degree. Therefore, from here we have angle C is equal to angle BAD. In triangle BDA and triangle ADC, angle B is equal to angle CAD and angle C is equal to angle BAD. Angle B is equal to angle CAD. BAD is equal to angle C. This. Therefore, triangle BDA is similar to triangle ADC by angle similarity rule. But we have taken for the last part, we have taken that angle BAD plus angle CAD is equal to 90. Now we have taken this triangle. In this triangle, this 90 is equal to this angle plus this angle. And here in this triangle, this angle is equal to this angle plus this angle. See here, angle B plus angle BAD is equal to 90. Angle C plus angle C plus angle CAD is equal to 90. Then angle B plus angle BAD is equal to angle BAD plus angle CAD. From here, angle means this angle B plus angle BAD is equal to angle BAD plus angle CAD, because this angle is also of 90. Then this angle, because it is coming in both sides, it cancellizes, and from here we get angle B is equal to angle CAD. Similarly, we get angle C is equal to angle BAD. Now in these two triangles, this angle is equal to this one and this angle is equal to this one. Then these two triangles are similar by angle similarity rule. This was the complete solution.